All right, how's it going, Tycoon? So super excited for today's video. We're going to be looking at Lucid, ticker symbol LCID. All right, today it's doing phenomenal, currently up 35% at the moment. I want to show you guys, if you want to know how high Lucid can go and what you think, let's be realistic, okay? Enough with this to the moon stuff, all right? Where do you think Lucid can go? All right, I'm gonna show you guys using the Bollinger Bands and using some simple just price analysis, okay? We're gonna do a quick just overview, all right? So we'll start right here. If we look, this is January of last year, okay? So January of last year up to February of last year, mid-February, Lucid went up over 550%, okay, nearly 600%, all right? And that was like in a 40-day time span period, all right? So if you think that Lucid might repeat that pattern again, and you think that Lucid might go on a tear from January to February, or might run up from now until February, here's what you can do to take a look, okay? So basically what I have, first we'll look at the Bollinger Bands, okay? The Bollinger Bands are gonna be these three things right here, okay? It's a study that you can add on most brokerage platforms, trading platforms that you use, all right? As you can see, okay, we started to trade above the Bollinger Bands, okay? It had its big breakout day where it went above it, and it's trading above it. It falls back in between, okay? They're kind of like rubber bands. It wants to squeeze, okay? So if you notice, it's been squeezed and then it just popped, all right? And it tried to come back in and then it popped again, come back in and popped again. And if you notice, it never came down and even touched the middle Bollinger Band, okay? So it kept that super bullish momentum, had its big breakout candle again, open and closing in above. All right, and then as you can see, it came back down in, it squeezed, okay, it squeezed this thing so hard it gapped down, created this big gap right here. And then yeah, so we gapped down, as you can see, below this Bollinger Band. All right, and it's been squeezing, it's been squeezing, it's been squeezing. All right, let's zoom out a little bit. As you can see here, we did pop, all right? We popped here, we came out, and then we started our pop up. All right, then it squeezed again, and we had this tremendous candle today. So you can look for, this could be the start, okay, right here. So what I have is this line right here duplicated to this point right here, basically saying that, all right, if we start this mega trend again, and if it was to repeat that pattern up until February, it would take us from here up to 84.46, okay? So that would be like your highest bullish price target, all right? Now, realistically, we could try to say that this trend may have started right here, that this was our bottom, okay? Because if you see here, we'll take a look from here up to here today, the stock is already over 138% up, okay? And it only had a 575% run up last year. So it's already over a quarter of the way there. All right, so this could be the bottom right here of this mega trend. All right, now if this is the bottom, that'll take us up to 72.65. Okay, and again, if you're wondering where I got this from, I just went like this. I hit duplicate drawing, I duplicated it, and I put it on the bottom of here, and I drew a price target up to here. Okay, with that being said, this can pull back at any moment. Okay, Lucid is on fire. As you saw, it's up nearly 140% in the past like month or two. So it's been doing really well. But it could cool off. All right. I think that as long as we start January, okay, because if you can see, this will be November, December, January. So as long as we can start January, either back at this point again, okay, we can start it here again, we can still have the potential to run up to here. All right. And if we started it in January and we cool back down and we're here in January, then that puts us right back at this beginning, and that can take us up to here. Okay. Or we may not pull back. All right. This is our breakout zone. So once we break out from here, we're going to fill this gap. Okay. And after we fill that gap, if it keeps momentum going up, this is going to be our next resistance level, aka your take profit, a bullish price target. You can take some profits here, and you can most definitely take profit along the way. But if you're trying to hold it and try to long term and see how high it can really go, definitely there's this gap you can fill, take profits here, this bullish price target right here. After there, this is going to be our next resistance, okay? And then after that, I think we break the all-time highs, and this would be our next bullish price target from here that you guys saw. And if we break above here, then we could head up to 84, and you guys saw where I got that from. So let me know what you guys think about LCID, ticker symbol LCID, that's Lucid, okay? If we look here on the Bollinger Bands, I was just showing you guys the Bollinger Bands. It's just breaking out above it, okay? This middle one needs to catch up to it. So I would expect maybe this could pull back some more, but I would still expect some more bullish activity overall here soon, just to this middle Bollinger Band has got to catch up, okay? There will be a pullback, okay? It will try to snap back into it, but I think that we are in bullish territory. So let me know what you guys think about Lucid. Do you guys like the company? Do you think it's going to zero? Or is this thing going up to $84? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.